Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross. The Toyota Corolla has been a trusted name in the automotive world since its debut in 1968, known for its unmatched reliability and efficiency. Fast forward to today, the Corolla Cross takes those iconic traits and packages them in a practical subcompact SUV design. While it scores high on value and utility, it falls short in areas like performance and driving excitement. The Corolla Cross is a practical addition to Toyota's SUV lineup, designed to offer the reliability of the classic Corolla in a more versatile package. It features a modest 169 horsepower four-cylinder engine paired with a continuously variable transmission, resulting in sluggish acceleration. While its driving dynamics may not excite, the Corolla Cross shines in utility. Its spacious cargo area and optional all-wheel drive make it a worthy alternative to the Corolla sedan or hatchback. For those seeking a bit more performance and better fuel efficiency, the Corolla Cross Hybrid is a standout option. If you like the Corolla sedan or hatchback, you'll like the Corolla Cross's interior. A near replica of the four-door Corollas, the cabin materials, layout, tech, and convenience features employed in the Cross are nearly identical. Though the Corolla Cross offers slightly more rear seat room than the Corolla hatchback, it's about the same as the sedan, though. It UPS cargo room by over 12 cubic feet. Lower trims are basic inside, but the XLE model comes with nice-looking faux leather upholstery, heated front seats, a leather-wrapped shift knob, and a flip-down center armrest for rear seat passengers. Corolla Cross buyers have a choice of traditional gasoline or hybrid powertrain. This version uses a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine rated for 169 horsepower and 150 pound-feet of torque, and it passes that power off to a continuously variable automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive is standard, but all-wheel drive is available as an option. Most drivers will find this power adequate at best. When pushed hard, the engine tends to get coarse and buzzy, but it never gets the Cross moving quickly. The price of the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross starts at $25,385 and goes up to $29,610 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.